Wothong aji along adui ahoy along iki sompon. Karbi Anglong Termas Council EM Sar Amar Singh Tiso Arideng Pen Bengbong Langso Adolong Lapen Langbung Dingpi along open stage in Pupon. Kardom Pini Prantama Bertalong Penini Sami Promila Timungpi Non Bertang Topen Arjuponikta Pini Matejong Nipai Inkor Arni Singhason Constituency Polling Station Lakha Troxike Brahini Bengbom Langso Lapen Langbung Dingpi Arong along Karbi Anglong Termas Council EM Amor Singh Tisopen Radatum Akar Ichinisi Bengbong Langso Aradapan Dolong Lapen Langbung Dingpi Aradapan Open Stage Lapen Rongkera Hem Highway Patang Piponlo Bangso Mailong Ayui Sarpo Aman Pen Karbi Anglong Termas Council EM Sar Amar Singh Tiso Karbi Anglong Termas Council Secretary Sangpi Nirola Phangchupi Lapen BJP along Klemra Petki Thikidingatum Chitongdon Lapen Bangso Mailong EM Amar Singh Tiso Ahin Pen Lamthe Kejaya Tenki Non Kivangchi Apur Sitami Singhason Constituency Angkang along Ansose Baching Thurpon Tupoputa Radaphat Lamchak Chipitekang Thu
Dolong Tawe Jatawe Ada Rong ni dong arong happy amasi dadak langroi tado angge kacelengi kado weta sumpit la sojo ini nyitum CM Sar tuliram rong hangpan tunili ponsi towar lapen dolong approach road pen la dolong labang sonang ding pipon nangi sar pulo angge CM Sar alangli nilitum labang sorong ni pan 70 lakhs la so dolong pen lapen approach road labang so in election pano nang tapon pen local contractor si so tua la pen gadolong ke selam lo la pen apura teng pen selam lo ke selam temio
la pen ong dong rala tup chitong dun pen mayar dipidun Chandra Hanse Karbi Daily News Longkiri Krihini Sar Habia Mai Pen Patibi Ponsi Pini Karbi Anglong la pen hojai ahoyalong long eki samasai dengpon Nonapura hut arniwang monit nangkechana son thak-thaksi ili kedoprong Karbi Anglong along le along sitame kichi asomate akapri akhiatum Karbi Anglong along le nangkithi duna birta ningkan konpen ili thekponlong bomlo lasi lahi hoi aduya hoi lapen EPL longri kachiraya komki akenang sot pumatha ponsi pini wothongaji lapen hojai ahoyalong kapang thekji aphan pura longri krehini sarhabia maipen patir piponsi pini bangso asai dengponlo Bangso along eki somalong Karbi aron pen kechengsi Karbi richo rengbong hom jingthong lingdok po rengom hanse amri lingdok rongpi hawar asar bikha kangbura atoma chikimo pen bonta kipi kepa jurasai sitame dekbon bangso asai kedengpon lake Karbi richo ramsing ronghang lapen dancing ronghang lapen habe pinpo rong asar atomsi cherap chitodunlo Lebangso mailong kaningje ponating ke jongsi ili Karbi atumalong le kichi asomate parok aswaphan kejor kelan dokok pulo tangte kejora bangla pen kenama bangfu aphan sitame Karbi richo lapen ari asangho atum sodak pen ingsai ponji pini bangso along eke sompona mailong ramsing ronghang Karbi richo rupsing inti kathar sarpo longri krehini sarhabia maya maipu mensing teron kongchun bang hemari ingleng ratchun bang dhoniram inti jingthong lingdok hemari pator umlarong habe kongsing rongphar amri lingdok monsing milik border board chairman lapen pena ansarlar lapen kithekiding atum bidi sore chepachoy dun pen map mention pen chepachun pon news text report Karbi Daily News Lakha Inkora Trok Dorbori constituency Dolamara Arlo Sangpi Navina Phangchopi lapen Malini rongpharpi Karbi Anglong aradaphan puthot nongweki banpitu Dolamara Arlo kedo sarsing phangcho lapen bina lekthipia tumasopi Sangpi Navina Phangchopi lapen Dorbogri BDC chairman Sarkoi rongphar lapen Losia ronghangpia tumasopi akle Malini rongpharpia tumpen assistant professor mate akang tui angdeng along athan mangchepalong dunsi puthot Karbi Anglong aradaphat nongwe banpitulo lapen isi ove kimia tumaphat lokacholi anato ningkirun ponang thek paklang pon
at a time like this, so I'm really happy.
How many times after how many attempts you have been succeeded as an assistant professor?
Actually, I passed my master's last year in 2019. After that, I started applying this year only. So this was my second attempt actually. So I succeeded in the second attempt, I can say that.
Okay. So what would you like to say about your parents, about their support?
My parents have been very supportive actually. Like right from the time I passed out of I passed out of class 10 after my matriculation. Like they didn't force me to like go for this stream or that stream. Like they were like, you can do whatever you want, whatever you think is best for you. So I decided I should go with the art stream actually, since I was interested in a lot of this other like things like I also wanted to prepare for the civil services actually. So, and I'm still preparing actually. So all this, so my parents have been really supportive all throughout my academic journey as well. Like right from the time from my childhood till now, and they are still supporting me, and they allow me to do like whatever I choose in whatever field.
There are many troubles in Karbi Anglong as well as in Dolomara. So what will be your message to them?
Like I'm still studying, so I just want to tell them that whatever it is that you're doing, do not give up, because whatever it is that whether you are studying or whatever it is that you're doing, never to give up, because the harder you work and your hard works will surely bear fruit. Like it has been a long journey, I can say, but still I have worked hard, I can say that, along with the blessings of so many people who have been continuously supporting me. Along with them until now, I can say that never to give up on your dreams. And they might think that what is the use of studying? Like a lot of us youths, we still have this thing like, what is the use of studying so much when at last we are not even going to get any jobs or anything like that. But what I want to say is that continue to strive hard, you know, and then you will surely get there. That's what I want to say.
In which department you have been appointed?
I have been appointed in the Department of Political Science. Yeah, so.
Okay, thank you very much for speaking. When you met yesterday at Guwahati, how excited you were?
I was very excited, and it's not only me that got excited, but everyone in the family, they all are very happy with the news. Yeah.
Where are you now posted?
I'm posted in Hanjang Langso, Eastern Karbi Anglong College.
What will be your message towards those dropout students?
The message to them would be, if they try hard, no matter if they have failed for the first or second time, if they keep on working hard, they will really succeed in life. That's what I really want to tell them. And also, it doesn't mean that every student needs to study for like 12 hours, 13 hours to become successful. But if they really put their mind for 30 minutes or 45 minutes also, they can really get the result which they really want to get.
What would you like to give to say to your parents about their support?
My parents have been very supportive. They have been helping me a lot, and it's because of them that I have become what I'm today. And as well as I really want to thank all my relatives, my family members for their support. Yeah, I'm really thankful to them.
So, out of many students, only 2 Karbis has been appointed as an assistant professor. So one is also from Dolomara. Who's that?
Her name is Miss Malini Rongparpi, and she got appointed in Dumduma College.
Malini Rongparpi arta inkora pho alanglike ke damtang surihini ra crescer kep aninkansi Northeastern Hill University pensi Master of Arts sipan pono lapen lapu Navina Phangchupi arta inkora troxy abangi Assam University difu campus pensi Master of Science sipan pono Dolamara pen Mensing Rongpi Karbi Daily News. Pinia birda bang ke lapon si kanton poniklo domi thakme kurang thu.